In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom sort filter that will allow your end users to sort the entire table by any dimension, measure, or calculated field. If you worked with complex tables in the past, then you may have noticed that this simple task can get quite messy when trying to sort your fields the traditional way. For example, when you hover over a column name, you see a number of different sort options available to you, which can be confusing to your end users. And when working with very large text tables, this is typically the feedback I get from a lot of clients. So, to simplify this process, we can do two things. We can create a custom sort menu, and we can also disable sort controls, so our end users can only sort the fields by using the menu we create. Let's take a look at the process. In order to set this up, we need to create two parameters and two calculated fields. Let's call our first parameter sort by. This parameter is going to accept string values, so we want to set the data type to string. Under allowable values, you want to list the field names you want to sort by. We want to show the parameter control in our visualization, so we're going to click on the parameter and choose Show Parameter Control. Let's display it as a single value list. Let's go ahead and create a second parameter that will allow us to specify the sort we want to use on our fields, ascending versus descending. So the data type is going to be a string, and under allowable values you want to include ascending and descending. Let's show this parameter control in our visualization and set it to a single value list. Now we're going to create two calculated fields, index and sort calculation. The only purpose of the index function in this case is to simply be able to display repeated row headers for your fields. The last calculation is going to link our parameter control to the visualization and enable the users to sort the fields in ascending or descending order using our parameter control. Please note that if one of the fields you're trying to sort by is a calculated field that has previously been aggregated, you don't need to aggregate it the second time. Oh, and by the way, if you guys want to take a closer look at the calculations, you can download this workbook from our Tableau public gallery. Next, you need to convert your calculated fields to discrete and bring them into the view. And because this is a table calculation, you want to make sure that your scope is set to compute using table down. Next, you want to right-click on the header and uncheck the Show Header option. We're going to repeat the same steps for our second calculation. So first, convert to discrete, bring it into the view, set your scope to be computed using table down, and hide the header. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. So let's say we wanted to sort our data by subcategory in descending order. So that seems to be working right. Let's try sorting our table by customer name. And now I want to try sorting this table using the first purchase date. Let's choose ascending in this case. Now, if you wanted to completely disable the default sort icons on your headers, all you have to do is click on Worksheet and uncheck the Show Sort Controls option. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe to support our channel.